This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Good morning. This is Fadi Hemzi. It's about 8:30 a.m. February 26, 2021. It's Friday, last day of the month. Tumultuous week. It's the biggest Ponzi scheme out there called Treasuries. Okay. So, all right, one second. I had this thing. I'm just checking one item what the low was. 650 this morning. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. So, no housekeeping comments. Not can I. Not can I. Nothing to add here. What is this? Okay. Basically, the work on the ATR DMZ alerts now it's called. It's a you guys don't indicate DMZ ATR alerts, which is a combination of the DMZ alerts that we use for the experts, and then the what do you call it? And the out of ATR. I'm not sure which package we're going to put it in. We may put in an expert package. It doesn't matter to anybody right now because you're getting automatic grandfathered in if you already, if you remember last year, you will be grandfathered into this. But it's not finished yet, but we're close. The problem we're having is that you're just having a huge amount of block data coming in, and we had this treasury issue. So I took a little of my eyes off, and I need to go back to more analysis. And it just problem is I get so tired, not 2020 anymore. I suggest if you guys having facing the same issues, try to limit yourself to half a day of trading. Just don't push it. It's just this gets too much, especially quit while you're ahead. Yep. Okay. Another problem we're having. Nader is having he lost his phone, so that's not a bad good situation. But one of the computers working and is working on the other one, so getting the other one up. I'm just trying to see if there is the email from him. I don't see it. No. Okay, we're good. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Monday. Okay. 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 We can. Okay. Okay. We can. 19 by 19. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll go. Okay. Okay. Hold on one second. Yeah, there's an email from him. I gotta get his. He's on my system on the. Okay. Right there we go. All right. As I expected. Yeah, there was one. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I've been rough here. Hold on. All right, guys, let's get started. Sorry, we're having a lot of feedback questions and questions. Uh, yeah. Okay. No, I understand. Yeah. Okay. This one I gotta get back to. Let me tag that. Okay, I'm good. And this is Mark. Okay. All right, guys. All right. Now, one more thing. There's one more thing I want to go over to so you guys. Sorry, let me show you. We are having this issue. There's a solution for it. Oh, you made this go. Hold on. You made the chart show up. 1 second. Let me go back. All the charts are showing up? Are you serious? So he did something. All right. So hold on. Maybe he may have solved the problem we have. All right. There was a problem on the charts. We were trying to get it resolved. So his emails are ahead of me. All right. These are two issues I want to talk to. I did. Let's go to charts. let's go to, Econ's calendar. I'm sorry. Let's go to Econ calendar. All right, Friday, 8:30. What do we got? 6 minutes ago. The trade was in, right? International trade. Dude, this is in line. This is nothing. No, this is in line. Yeah. Good. Yeah, this is in line. Imports 1.1, a little bit lower. Exports nothing. Yeah, exports is bad. Yeah. Well, it's a vaccine. We need the vaccine. Admiral said that a year ago. This is until you get the vaccine out that's working. Really the risk was how long will it take to have a working vaccine? We're going to be in trouble. This is personal income. Up 10%, not bad. Prior was that. Wow. Oh, consensus was 9. I'm saying consensus was 9. Okay. Yeah, remember the confidence data is up. So, well, before the change, after 4 years, now we have some adults in the room. Yeah, none of this chaos. In March, a bunch of CEOs went to White House and said, "You got to stop all this crap. This is not the way we can plan. Business needs to be able to plan. No business, no jobs. That's simple." They seem to forget who's in charge here. It's the big businesses in charge, and they have to be able to plan and work and expand and update, and you just can't disrupt all of that with chaos. So, all right, then we have Chicago PMI coming at 9:45. By the way, that's not a political comment. That's reality. Whichever side you sit in, this is reality. We got to deal with truth and reality, not fantasy. That's why the last year and this year, the deficits are going to be huge. The estimate for this year could top $4 billion. Yeah, of course, 4 months of it already gone, right? No, 5 months of it already gone because the fiscal year is this September 30th. All right, so you got your consensus. This is the range. I want to be watching this. So 10 o'clock, we need to take a pause and take a look at this. Let's go to charts. No, not that one. That's the wrong chart, Jack. No. Oh, that's huh? What's this? No. That's not where I want to go. Where's my? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I couldn't see that. So, yes. Okay, sorry. There we go. All right. Here's the timer. All right. Huge outside day. Huge. Maybe I'm guessing it's outside. Although it's not dotted, so it's not. Maybe I've just missed the top. Yeah. And we went back and retest that. Our PMT stop was not hit. Again, remind you, was not hit. Here's a trade. Nope, no, not options. Hold on. Here's a trade. Hold on. This number was not hit. We came close. We were, I think, 15 handles from it. Yeah. I had taken it wide, left it wide, but boom. Nerve-wracking. Yeah. All right. So, but charts are showing up, so he did something. I don't know what he did, but they're fine. All right. Let me come back. So what did that do? 165 on the micron oscillator. As you know, below 150, we start special watch. We're looking for a 300, 275, 300 negative NYSE or SPX. NYSE micron oscillator. Actually, this is NYSE, not SPX. It's all of NYSE. Reading of negative 270, 275 to negative 300. What we call a launchpad mode. Has never failed. But we're not there yet. You can see what happened there. Yeah. So we're not there yet. We're close. Today could be a wash. The final wash. If it's the end of the month, we don't know. We'll find out. For the sake of PMT people, I hope not. The last 2 trades I took, they got clobbered there and there. And here's the third one. What's happening here? Every time I put a trade on, they just flush it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let's be on. This may be on that ferry. Come on. There's nothing to do with you and I. This is way beyond that. Okay, look at the readings. Look at the readings, guys. Down to uptown volume. Yeah, we're gonna bounce today. The issue is this the bottom? I don't think so. Probably have another one. Probably a couple of weeks. Yeah, yeah. Then that's a tradable up. Yeah, yeah. But look at that reading. So he has to retest that. This is 5. That's a 6. Now, the reason we went to 10 there because of this to see that part. So hold on, let me check that quickly, Murray. Hold on, Murray. We'll check that. So you get a scaling there. I bet you that scale is fixed. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Put 10 in there. All right. That should be 0. Yeah, it can't be negative, right? So for the time being, I'll have to fine tune that, but just you'll see. But when no. Huh? Oh, hello. Coffee time, Jack. Coffee time. Mm-hmm. There you go. You could see, yeah, there we go. That's where we are. So NASDAQ NYC just was a huge 6-1. If it gets to 10-1, it's done deal. You don't see that often. We've seen more than 10-2, but just you know. Always you should know the historicals of any of these parameters. When this is a scoring indicator, you need to know that parameters. So gets a feel. All right. Okay, we pulled back heavy. That's outside bar on Russell. Of course, we closed down on the trends as expected. 50 bar violated. Okay, we struggled in 3 days and still closed below. So, and we have one negative DT. One D trend is negative. Okay, so 7 out of 8 are positive. We'll see. Okay, remember this gave us out. Now we kind of poo-pooed it, right? So, well, that's the lesson we get. That was a 99 handle move. That's huge. Yeah, negative on Momo. We're still above 0 sig on SB1. Okay, buy and sell. There's a short on. Okay, again, these two are mechanical. They're not making any recommendations. Mechanical, but look at what CIs are doing. The CIs are slightly tight, so we could break to the downside. We don't know. That's possible. You know, could be in a day or so. Yeah, it could be a head fake today and then resumes. Definitely, we have to recalibrate what we're doing. This is today, by the way. That's trading. The other ones, they don't trade early. They don't need to. But this is early trade. But this is yesterday. Went to 2 sigma. Hallelujah. Notice it stopped at 2 sigma. See that? Yesterday, yeah. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. This is the order of nature of things that repeat in nature. Thus, the same concept is fractals. You gotta watch what happens in the nature. Then you'll be victorious much easier with less effort. 142. That I don't get it. This is actually anomaly. This should tick down, or at least go flat or something on 136 where it was. Is this no? That's 2 days ago. Where was this? Okay, there was no value there. Well, Murray, hold on. No, that was 138 and then went to 139. Yeah, this is an anomaly. When you drop down 100 points on S&Ps, you should not be upticking. So something else is still wrong. Okay, so 2 things are anomalies here. The VIX is too high, at all-time high, and what the SQ is showing, which is a tail risk for SPX put options. Not both. I'm saying it's a negative tail. It's a lower tail risk. You have 2 tail risks, right? On a bell curve. This is the lower part, and this does the measuring the quantifying the put option activity. Forget that TD. Okay, we got positive. Yeah, that's what happens. That the day like yesterday does that. We went positive on this. Well, I'm sorry, almost positive. No. No. We never got positive. Sorry. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Yeah. But I'm in the two negative 1.5 area right now. Okay. This is where it traded a lot. 190 negative. Then we got positive. Positive would be up here. Sorry. Correction. Are we near the bottom? I think so. This range somewhere in here is near the bottom. Yeah. Okay. That's why I read that. Well, we never made the rendezvous point. Well, missed that. Okay. Got close. And so I won't call it exactly that. Wish it was a little bit higher. And we're at 29.08, which says that we're in oversold. We're about to enter oversold. They could do it this afternoon. They could. It could be a bloody Friday afternoon, last day of a month. New money is coming in, so maybe they want to push it down. I don't know. There should be a two-sided way, two-sided market. People are dressing up their portfolios, and the new money is coming in. So we'll see what they what they do, what they give us. All right. Okay. All right. We have more folks joining us. Awesome. Dennis, good morning, sir. Jack and Karen, always good morning. Noah, good morning, and that's it. No worries, guys. No worries. Moving forward, yields. This is the talk of the town now. Remember, we said that Mark's brother told us over 1.0 or 10 in this scale on 10x is where we want to watch. And we gave you some warnings last month because that was the first time we were going through that barrier right here, right about here. This is this year, first of this year, we crossed that barrier over 1. We tested it, and now we're at 1.5 basically. It's good to this by 10. And long term, this is progress in the economy and all that. You guys see a TYX, I see that. Short term stuff they're using should be a 5. This they can control. So this is going to fool you. This they have to buy and they have to disclose. But the 10-year gives you the mortgages. So I'm not surprised the pending numbers were down yesterday. Remember the pending home sales? Yeah. Why? This is the shock. Yeah. And also, we're still under Dodd-Frank. Qualifications are still tough. Yeah. And the W-2s get jobs much easier than 1099s or no job. You can't apply no job. So it's a little bit difficult. Not surprised there. All right. Let's go to one of my favorite charts here. There you go. That's this one. Okay. What the hell is that? Okay. Come on, Jack. Come on. All right. So what are we doing? This is in line. Okay. So you want to consider this the drop that was a warning? Be my guest. You can do that. But this is very, very typical. We run up on the market, and this scoring indicator, which is a number of stocks above 200 moving day average, keep failing, even though we got new highs, and then it breaks. So, and now we're below 85. Now it's worth looking at. It's really pay attention to. When it's up there, it's very noisy, and who knows where it's going. The other thing we want to watch for is the separation of those two lines. Those haven't changed. Okay, you want to always look at how separate those two moving averages are. All right. Moving next. Okay. Here is overnight. We're up 10 and 109. Here's a picture we have. Okay. And it's still a very bloody week so far. The move yesterday sets off a lot of disturbances in it. Hold on the charts and the sectors related to it. So we're 2 sigma there. Watch out, a little bit above that. The OTF charts have been posted. They have no issues. You know the way to find them as OTF lights. I'm still working on this, and I'm not finished yet. But you see the bubbles. You see the bubbles, and you see the ATR. So, and the trick is double bubbles. Gotta go through both bubbles. When it goes, boom. See, that's not a good one. Hold on. See this too? Yeah. Coming from the other side, goes through two bubbles and takes off. Now, there's going to be some false signals it gives you. There's no question about it. Uh, but I'm trying to build the rules so that I know uh, not just what the stops should be, but also when you take profit. So you're maximizing the return, and then you're out. Because the trick is not to sit through from here to there. Because maybe trade this 2 or 3 times. One there, one here. There's two bubbles. And now this is much easier said than done. But for this to work, you have gotten short down there only. And that would have been short lived. Okay, so that kind of stuff. All right, that's not finished. Any questions for me? It's 8:52. Any questions here? No questions I see there. All right, guys, let's stop. Let's close this so we can get to post processing and get posted. All right. Have a good Friday. I'll be here with you. Be careful. Be careful. That's all I could say. Thank you. Yes.